Okay, everyone. My topic a little bit for today is about unit conversion. Uh, in class, we talk about this already. I just want to give you a brief overview of it again. So, for the unit conversion, that means you want to convert a a unit from a different unit, right? So it sounds straightforward. So for example, let's say that I have 2 kilometer and I want to know how many meters are in 2 kilometers. So this is a unit conversion. Okay. So one thing that you need to know is the conversion factor, and these factors are available in your textbook. You just have to like look it up. But some conversion factors, very common conversion factors that you need to know is, for example, we have 1 kilometers, we have like 1,000 meter in 1 kilometer, for example. An hour has 60 minutes, right? Or a minute has 60 seconds, for example, so on. And then, there are other conversion factors like pounds and kilograms and ounces, things like that. Of course, like we are, um, like using the metric system, so those uh, units are not very familiar, but then again, you have all of these conversion factors at the back of your book. So in class, I talk about simple conversions, but we also went over the conversions. A simple case, a case like 30 kilometer per hour, and I want to convert that into meter per second. Okay, usually what happened is that the basic uh, uh, problem, you only need one conversion factor, but in this case, because what you are doing is actually you are converting 2 units. So we have 30 kilometer per hour, and you want to convert into meter per second, right? So you want to convert kilometer to meter and hour to seconds. So that means intuitively you will need two conversion factors. And I would highly recommend you to do my way. And this is not my way. I didn't invent it. Um, this is a very common operation procedure that many people follow, and I find that it's the best way so far to help you avoid mistakes. So how are we doing this? Let's start with given information, like we have 30 kilometer per hour, okay? And then you are going to, this is what you are looking for, right? Your final answer should be in meter per second, right? So let's say that I want to tackle the kilometer first, and I want to convert kilometer to meter. So of course, what you want, again, like the meter is in the on the top, right? Here, so definitely you would put meter on the top here, and then what you want to cancel is you want to cancel kilometer. And again here, what I'm using is I use this conversion factor here, that 1 kilometer has 1,000 meter. Okay, so 1 kilometer here, I put 1,000 here on the top, and I can cancel the kilometer, the unit. Now, the unit that I want is meter. So I got this. the other thing is at the bottom, I want to convert that into second. Right now, the bottom here I'm having is hour, right? So I want to cancel hour. So again, if you right now hour is at the bottom, so if you want to cancel it, you have to put it the hour here on the top so that hour can cancel it out. And then let's say second, right? We also know that 1 hour has 3,600 seconds, and this you can quickly find out, right? Because you have 1 hour has 60 minutes, right? And 1 minute has 60 seconds, so you multiply 60 with 60, so you get that answer. So here I would put second at the bottom, hour cancel, and second here as a bottom, right? So, and again, I just put the number in front, like for example 1 hour here, and I have 3,600 seconds. Okay, so far so good. What I need to do next is that final calculation, right? So the final unit, you have meter per second. That's what you want. And then what you're going to do is you are going to calculate. You're going to calculate 30 multiplied by 1,000, right? And divided by 3,600 and see what it gives you. Okay. And we have 8.33 meter per second. So that's our final answer.